As a parent, you can set up notification settings that are customized to how you want to be notified about assignments. So at the top in the right-hand corner where your profile is, that should be your name and then your child's name and the school that they attend. And then we are going to go down to settings. Under settings, you can click on notifications, and you should have the option to set up notifications for course updates, which is basically like a web update or a post that a teacher may utilize Schoology for, comments on updates on assignments or discussions, comments on your posts, course content created, or course materials overdue. And you would decide if you want it on, off, or customized by the week or something. Also, you can do the same for any school groups that you're a part of, public groups, or school updates, and then personal updates. And the right-hand side here, it says send notifications to your phone via text message. Click on that, and you can update your Schoology account with your personal cell phone number and carrier, and your updates will not only connect to your email, but also to your cell phone. When you're done, just be sure to click Save Changes, and then you'll see this green bar that says your settings have been updated.